Calgary's heart, where the prairies meet the sky, Richard Panuelos makes sure dreams don't die. From the city's flow to the calm outer zone, your perfect house he'll help you to own. From the south side condos to the North Hill slopes, in every brick and beam he sees your hopes. He's the guide with the keys in his hand, bringing life to every inch of this land. Richard of Calgary, where the mountains are high, with a smile so wide, it lights up the sky. Finding homes that fit your life like a glove. He's the one you'll trust, he's the one you'll love. Alberta's winds whisper secrets in his ear. Calgary streets where dreams unfold, Richard Panuelos, a story well told. From Filipino roots to the northern light, he guides the way through day and night. With a mortgage plan and a friendly smile, he'll walk with you the extra mile. Alberta's charm, he knows it well. In every home there's a tale to tell. Richard Panuelos, a beacon so bright, in Calgary's heart he's in Calgary's chill up north wide sky, Richard Panuelos make you fly. He's the man with a plan, no lie. He'll find you a home real high. He's a Filipino with a mission, every house deal signed with precision. Mortgage broker with your vision, gonna turn your dream into fruition. Richard, he's the real deal. In the housing game, he's got the zeal. If you wanna feel surreal, let him grab that wheel. From condos to the broadest land, Richard knows how to understand. Canadian winters don't faze man, 'cause he'll give a warm helping hand. Richard Panuelos making dreams come true. YYC hustler from dawn till 2. Flip the keys, mortgage breeze through. Calgary's Pinoy breaking deals that come through. East or west at the premium spots, Filipino pride hitting all the hot plots. From Skyview down to the river lots, broker with the flow, pockets grow from clients he got. Richard Panuelos is the house kingpin, mortgage magician, breaks the mansion win. Calgary's finest, real you win. Settling scores, making the wallet grin. Showing pride and grit, YYC skyline dreams get lit. Deal so smooth you think it's legit. From signing the dot, he ain't the type to quit. Connection game show to everyone around.
Richard Panuelos got the keys in his hand. Calgary streets know he's the man. From mortgage dreams to your new home, making it happen, you never feel alone. Filipino flair in every deal he makes, turning house buy into pieces of cake. He's the broker with a brilliant smile, guiding you through every single mile. Dreams built brick by brick, Richard's magic does the trick. From Northwest Hills to downtown lights, in his care everything feels right. Dreams built brick by brick, Richard's magic does the trick. From Northwest Hills to downtown lights, in his care everything feels right. Alberta roots and Filipino pride, Richard's hustle you can't deny. Saan ka ba pupunta? Paghanap ng tahanan, kay Richard Panuelos kita di ka na magdadalawang isip pa.
Sa Calgary, nandyan siya. Mga bahay kayang makuha. Tuwing kay Richard lalapit ka. Bahay mong pangarap, mahalaga.
Realtor ng puso.
Sa Calgary, Richard Panuelo, siya pagtanghari. Proper ng mga mortgage, malakas ang pisyo sa pera. Mga pamilya, binibigyan ng bagong tahanan. Sa Alberta, siya ang asinto ng bayan. Richard Panuelos, nagiging alamat. Realtor ng Calgary, ginawang tagumpay. Pag sa kanya ka lumapit, sigurado mo mga pangarap, kanya-kanya niyang sagot. Sa bawat kanto, mga tropa, binubuo. Transaksyon walang supply, sigurado panalo. Hasa buong araw hanggang gabi, tuloy ayos na deal, walang sabit. Isip mo'y tuloy-tuloy. Sa taong bayan siya ang tanglaw. Richard Panuelos, realtor na tanging tunay. Pag-asang dulot niya laging sapat. Matatag at walang kapaguran bawat sapat. Mula bahay hanggang kondo, bawat sulok lupain. Mga gubat at bundok, kaya niyang satipin. Richard Panuelos. Sa Calgary may isang tao, si Richard Panuelos, kilala ng tao. Pusong Pinoy ang kanyang sandata, tulong sa kapwa kanyang sagana. Sa Alberta kilala siya, dito sa probinsya marami ang saya. Grupo ng real estate kanyang hawak, bawat tahanan kanyang lakas. Oh, Richard Panuelos, ikaw ang bida sa Panuelos Real Estate mong gawa. Pangarap ng bawat isa iyong nagtutulungan. Pusong Pinoy sa serbisyo'y walang kapantay. Sa Calgary, si Richard Panuelos ang bida. Panuelos Real Estate, kanyang grupo malasiming humila. Pusong Pinoy, kanyang ang taglay. Sa Alberta ng Canada, siya'y nag-aalay. Kahit malayo, sa bayang Silangan, pusong Pilipinas, sa kanya'y nananariwan. Kahit saan siyang makarating, pagmamahal sa bayan di nagbabago't lagi natin. Si Richard, ang amang Pinoy, sa Alberta kanyang tangan.
Hello po, Richard Panuelos po of the Panuelos Real Estate Group. Ako po ay isang realtor at mortgage broker dito po sa province of Alberta. Meron lang po akong i-share, baka po makatulong po ito. Kayo po ba ay may-ari ng bahay pero lubog na po sa utang? Utang sa car loan, credit card, line of credit at marami pang iba? Kung ang bahay ninyo ay may equity, bakit hindi na lang kayo mag-equity takeout para ipambayad sa mga pinagkakautangan ninyo? Refinancing po ang tawag dito. Ibig sabihin nito, i-refinance natin ang bahay ninyo ng mas malaki. Tapos, ang equity makuha ninyo ay pamabayad natin sa mga pinagkakautangan ninyo. Halimbawa, ang combined na pinagkakautangan ninyo ay 100,000. Tapos, meron kayong bahay na nagkakahalagang 650,000 as market value. At sa bahay nito, meron kayong pinagkakautangan na 350,000 as balance ng current mortgage ninyo. Dito sa 650,000 na market value ng bahay ninyo, 80% lang po ng 650 ang pwede nating i-refinance o equity takeout. So, 650,000 multiplied by 0.8 is equals to 520,000. Up to $520,000 ang pwede lang natin pong i-equity takeout. Kasi the other 20%, which is $130,000, will stay in the house and has to be retained as equity. Assurance din po ito ng lender na despite na nag-refinance ka at kumuha ng equity sa bahay, ay may natitira pa ring equity sa bahay. Now, dito po sa $520,000, it doesn't mean na kailangan nyo i-take out lahat. Kasi po, the more equity you take out, the higher the monthly mortgage would be. Also, depende pa rin po sa income ninyo kung kaya po ng income ninyo ang $520,000 na utang. I suggest na kunin nyo lang po ang dapat nyo lang kunin. Enough to pay your combined debt, which is yung credit card, yung line of credit, ganyan. And also, ang income ninyo dapat kayang isustain yung monthly mortgage ng refinancing amount ninyo. Sa halimbawang ito, let's assume na ang income ninyo ay approved for $520,000. So, $520,000, which is yung equity ng bahay ninyo, minus $350,000 na balanse ng inyong current mortgage equals to $170,000. Yan po ang total equity takeout na matatanggap ninyo. Now, dito po sa $170,000, ibabawas po natin yung $100,000 na pinagkakautangan ninyo sa mga credit card, car loan, line of credit, yan. Kapag binawas po natin ang $100,000 na pinagkakautangan ninyo, ay may matitira pa kayong total of $70,000. Ito pong pera na ito ay i-deposit po sa inyong bank account. You can do whatever you want with this $70,000. You can renovate your basement, you can renovate your kitchen, kayo na po ang bahala. By doing refinancing po, mababayaran po ang inyong lahat na pinagkakautangan. Hindi na kayo matcha-charge ng malaking interest rate ng inyong mga credit cards. Bayad pati ang car loan ninyo at mag-i-improve pa ang inyong credit score. Higit sa lahat, will give you peace of mind. Kung kayo po ay nasa ganitong sitwasyon, please let me know. Wala naman pong mawawala. I will inform you of all the things you need to know and give you options. Dito po sa Panuelos Real Estate Group, we continue to strive to do our best in order to meet your expectations. Sana po nakatulong itong video na ito. Kung may tanong po kayo, mapa-real estate, mapa-mortgage, please do not hesitate to contact us. Nandito lang po kami palagi, handang tumulong, handang sumagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Maraming salamat po.